wake up in the morning, I'm ready for the school. My friends and teachers waiting, and it is time for school. Let's go! Joyous.
Hello teachers,
Hello my friends. Joyous.
put down my bag,
Sit on my chair.
I
Joyous.
love playing,
I love learning.
Joyous.
And this is how we learn. Yay!
Hi children, welcome back. I'm teacher Ada. We are at math practice and that is bird nest. We are going to draw the correct number of eggs. But before that, we are going to sing a song first. Do you still remember the Two Blackbirds song?
Yes!
Awesome, let's try together. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill, one named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away Jack, fly away Jill. Come back Jack and come back Jill. Two little blackbirds flying in the sky, one named Low and one named High. Fly away low, fly away high. Come back low and come back high. Two little blackbirds sitting on a pole, one named Fast and one named Slow. Fly away fast, fly away slow. Come back fast and come back slow. Awesome kid, you still remember the song. Now, we are going to draw the correct amount of eggs in each bird nest. If you can see over here, there's number 3, number 5, number 4. What you need to do is, you need to draw the correct number of eggs with the amount that's stated over here. So first, 3. So we are going to draw 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. Awesome! Now 5 eggs over here. So how many eggs do we need to draw? 5. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Last one, we have 4 eggs. Let's draw together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome! And that is the bird nest. And there's 3 eggs in the bird nest, 5 eggs in this bird nest, and the last one is 4 eggs in the bird nest. Okay children, I hope you enjoyed the activity and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye-bye! I wake up in the morning, I'm ready for the school. My friends and teachers waiting, and it is time for school. Let's go! Joyous.
hello teachers,
Hello my friends.
put
Joyous.
down my bag,
Sit on my chair.
I
Joyous.
love playing,
I love learning.
Joyous.
And this is how we learn.